So under Mail, Contacts, and Calendars, I've only got one account set up, but you can literally set up, I don't know, 30, 40 accounts under here if you wanted. So you could have your Yahoo account, your Gmail account, your business account, and it's very easy to do by hitting Add Account, and these are your options. For instance, in business, you would use Microsoft Exchange. Microsoft Hotmail would be their web interface. So they have the major options there. Now we're not going to dig into those options now. If you're using one of these, it's going to be very easy to put in your user ID, but wherever you're working, they can give you this information. Now what this fetch new data option means is, how is the data going to be sent to you? Push is really what you want. That means that when there's new information, the server will send it to you, which is very nice. Some emails cannot do that, and then you would have to use fetch, and then you tell it how often do you want to get it. I usually set it for every 15 minutes or so. Going in on advanced here, you'll see this push, fetch, and manual. And so again, if it's some email that cannot use push technology, then you can set it to fetch that, meaning iPad, go out and look and see if you can get information for that email. The next section down, show. How many messages, how many preview lines do you want? Do you want CC on? These are all your mail settings. What is really nice is that per email you can set up different signatures. So if you have a business email where you use your proper name all the time, you can have a different signature automatically set for that one. This is just showing one because of course I've only got the iCloud account set up on here. But if I added more accounts, I would get more options for what I want my signature to be. And then what's the default account? When you open up your email, which account do you want to go to first? And of course if you have 6 on there, then you have the option of doing that. There's your sort orders. Time zone support here is very nice. If you're traveling all the time, you want that to change the time zone for you, and when your iPad hits the internet, it realizes I'm in a different time zone and changes it for you. The default for that is off. Notice that under Mail, Contacts, and Calendar, I have a default calendar and it says Home, so I could set that to whatever default calendar if I've got a business calendar set up on this. And again, that would all be set up here. I would just add an account and then tell it where it's going to, and then set that up as the default if I wanted to.